What is the Excel hotkey to recalculate all formula in sheet? I have a sheet that contains many formulas, but they do not recalculate automatically when I change input. I'm looking for a hotkey that can recalculate the sheet. According to this page, F9 calculates all sheets in all open workbooks, and Shift plus F9 calculates the active sheet. Neither works for me. I know a tip: delete any row to refresh sheet. But my file is too long, and I'm not comfortable with this method.
This often happens with very large and complex spreadsheets. Here are some workarounds you could try. Control plus Alt plus Shift plus F9 to recheck all formula dependencies and then recalculate all formulas. Select any blank cell, press F2, and then enter. Re-enter equals. Select cells that contain formulas you'd like to update, press Control plus H. Find what equals, replace with equals. This may take a while depending on the size of your workbook. Save your file before attempting.
From the settings, there is a part where you can ask Excel to automatically update them once you have a new input. You don't need to press any hotkey.